Hello everyone. There's just under 11 hours left in our Bring a Trailer auction at no reserve, so this will be sold to whomever the highest bidder is. I had some people requesting some more info about exterior flaws, so I just did a real pretty long walk around looking for flaws. We'll do a startup video here. This is a cold start. It hasn't been moved in a few weeks actually. Pull it up here, get some more light. So upon my investigations, I've found you a few little stone chips I can point out. And even those, this pewter color kind of hides them well, and they're very minor. So right here on the door edge, driver's door edge right above my finger. So very minor door edge chip in the paint. I really didn't see any other flaws on the quarter panel. Door handles are all good. A little bit of bug crap on that one. Bug mark there from my test drive. It's really amazing how stone chip free the front end is. Leading edge of the fenders are good. Roof, windshield, tint strip, tinted front windows. Right here's another extremely minor stone chip. As I said, this pewter color really hides that, but there's really not much to look at, not much to find. Just wanted to remind you that we'll be here throughout the remainder of the auction. Any questions, a good question, feel free to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck bidding.